This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Hello everyone. I'm Srinivas Gorrepati. As part of this video, we are going to see how to configure the merge join transformation. So we already observed a union all and a merge. These two are going to append the records. Union all is not going to sort. Merge is going to give a sorted output. This merge join is not going to append the records. It is going to perform the joins. It is going to combine the columns. It is going to combine the columns from two different data sources. So how to configure this one is, similar to merge, it is also can work with only two inputs only, and it requires a sorted output as an input. So I given one of the sorted input as part of merge join, and it is asking out of two inputs, I am saying that it is a left input, and this is going to be a right input, which means it is not going to work with multiple inputs, only two. And once you given the two inputs, you can perform a three types of join: inner join, left outer, full outer, right outer. If you are looking for, you can swap the tables. If you select left outer, if you swap it, you can perform a right outer join. So whatever the type of join that you want, you can select it. Then after, based on what column you want to perform a join between these two tables, I selected a copy of ID, which is a sorted one, and here also this is a sorted one. So based on these two columns, we are going to sort it. Sorry, we are going to perform a join based on these columns. And what you want to send it as an output from a first table, a value, second ID, second table a value, and ID I want to perform, and I want to perform a left outer join, which means from this table all the records you are going to get for the corresponding entries with a null values, you are going to get it. So these are all the outputs that we are going to get, and if you want to customize it, you can customize the names. Click on OK. And I'm enabling the data viewer to see what kind of data that is going to return. Let me execute. So we are going to perform left outer join. You can see that. So the left side input is having four records. One is 10, 10, 20, and a 30. So here the source one is having a three records, which is nothing but 10, 20, and 30. The other source is containing a records at 10, 10 records along with a 15, 25, 35. So now whenever I perform a join between these two tables, the 10 record matched with two records which are available on the other side, 10A and 10X. So you are able to get the matched records. 20 and 30 are unmatched with respect to right side table, other side table. You are able to get as null value. And if you want to perform a full outer join, you can select it and you can see all the records. You can see that So 10 is the one. So 10 is the one which is matched in both the sides. That's why you're able to see that A10, X10, A10, A10. So then after B and C are the records from a left side table. For that, you don't have any matching records in other table. You got a null values. And A, B, and C are the records which are available on right side table, which are not having any entry on left side table. That's why you're getting a null values here. That's why you're getting a null values. 15, 25, 35, which is not available in left side table. So this is how you can perform a joins in a SSIS. So union all and merge will be used to combine the records. It is kind of a set operator functionality. Merge join will be used to perform a joins that can be inner join, left outer, right outer, and full outer join. And it will take only 2 columns as input and the 2 sorted columns. And you can configure here based on what column you want to perform a join and what are the columns that you want to pass through to a next level. So this is how you can configure merge join and the difference between union all, merge, and merge join. If you have any questions on how to configure this one, comment as part of a comment section. Thanks much for watching.